In this video, let me show you how to fix TikTok stories not showing. So if you're having issues viewing your TikTok story or the story that you uploaded to your TikTok is currently not visible, in today's video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can straight away do is try to update the application of TikTok. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store, depending upon your device, search for TikTok, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update the application. Now, if this first step does not work for you, the second thing that you can try out is try clearing your cache. So just tap and hold the app of TikTok and then head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then head over to clear data. Once you complete this step, make sure that you re-log into your account and try to see if this fixes the issue. Even after doing all of these steps, if the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is try to reinstall the application of TikTok onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue will also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.